Hey and welcome to this tutorial. I've had another request to make a video on transitioning from hard edges to round ones. It's not always the easiest thing to do, but this would be my approach to it. What you're going to want to do is create a cylinder. I'm just going to set it to 10 subdivisions and adjust the shape until it resembles the bottom part of a Moka pot. Cool, so next, just go ahead and delete the top and bottom faces. We won't need them for this example. And then we can just extrude the top edge here to just give us a little bit more room to add some details. To add the arching details, add an edge loop to the middle of each of the faces. I'd suggest using the multi-cut tool, hold down Shift and the right mouse button and head to multi-cut tool. And using Control and the middle mouse button, we can add a edge loop right in the center. Just do that for the rest of the faces. Right, in vertex mode, select all the points in the middle. So all of these. And just move them up, holding Control and Shift to slide. We need to do this so we can get the rounded parts as we require for this shape. From here, there's a few different methods we can do. So I'll just go ahead and make a duplicate of this shape. Firstly, we can select all the edges we want to be hard. So all of these edges here like this. Hit Ctrl B to bevel these, setting the segments to 2 and just reducing the fraction. We can probably achieve the result we want. Alternatively, we can select the edges like so, ensuring we have the entire vertical edge loop. Bevel like we did just before. Something like this worked quite well. Right, so now we have a crease going all the way up to the top, which is not what we want. So what we can do is select the top edges here, and then holding down the Shift and right mouse button, we can go to Circularize Components, which will take all of our edges and evenly distribute them, removing the pinching. I will just quickly go ahead and assign a Fong preset. I have a few saved that I like to work with. Right, so taking a look at things, I think in this example, our first method worked best, but it's nice to know both approaches. Cool, so if you enjoyed this video, why not check out some of my others? Also, for some early access content, bonus downloads, and an exclusive chat, check out my Patreon, and doing so massively helps support the channel. Well, thanks for watching, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.